ambassador para sa next generation. Tama na. Tama ba ako, Glorieta? Sobrang perfect talaga ako. At abante, posible talaga with the next generation. Tama na. Kaya naman dahil dyan, tawagin na natin ang iyong Toyota family. Ang ating mga kaibigan from Toyota Motor Philippines na talaga namang masayang masaya dahil parte na ang ating paboritong bida ng ating Toyota family na of course si Coco Martin. Here we go. Let's call back on stage the President of Toyota Motor Philippines, Mr. Masanto Hashimoto, Senior Vice President for Marketing of Toyota Motor Philippines, Mr. Masahiro Hauka, and of course, let's also call on stage First Vice President for Vehicle Sales Operations, Mr. Danny Cruz.